Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. Now I am telling about difference between sensor and transducer. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Sensor versus transducer. One of the main difference between sensor and transducer is that a transducer is a device that can convert energy from one form to another. Sensors are also a type of transducer. In this video, I will be going to show you difference between sensor and transducer. Definition of sensor. The sensor is a device that measures the physical quantity, for example, heat, light, sound, etc., into an easily readable signal, for example, voltage, current, etc. It gives accurate reading after calibration. Definition of transducer. Transducers are often employed at the boundaries of automation, measurement and control system, where electrical signals are converted to and from other physical quantities, for example, energy, force, torque, light, motion, position, etc. The process of converting one form of energy to another is known as transduction. Now we see the difference between sensor and transducer. Sensor, which converts one physical quantity into electrical quantity. Transducer, which converts one form of energy into another form. Sensor just senses the physical quantity, it does not convert to any form. Transducer equals sensor plus transduction element. It converts one form of energy into another form. Sensor, which can respond to a change in physical parameter and produce a change in a physical parameter that can be sensed. Transducer, which convert a change in physical parameter into some useful energies form. Sensor is nothing but just a primary element which senses any physical phenomena, or it gives an induction in any sense of the physical phenomena. Every transducer is always having a sensor, but every does not to be a transducer. Sensor output is always electric output. Transducer output always will not be an electrical output. A sensor is the complete assembly required to detect and communicate a particular event. A transducer is the element within that assembly which accomplished only the detection of the event. Approximately sensor, magnetic sensor, accelerometer, barometer are the example of the sensors. The thermistor and the thermocouple is the example of the transducer. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.